Our senior reporter, Celestina Area, who covered proceedings today at the court, joins me. She joins me on the news this hour. Celestina, talk to us. We understand that Nnamdi Kanu tendered an apology in court today. And of course, the court in response is granting accelerated hearing.
Well, we can say it's a new start or a fresh start away from the proceedings before Justice Binta Nyako. Now the case is before Justice James Omotosho after Mr. Kanu had accused Justice Binta of bias and has written to the CJN asking that a new judge be assigned the case. The case, well, he had first written to the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice Soho, who took the case back to Justice Binta before Mr. Kanu approached the CJN asking that the case be reassigned to another judge, that he wasn't quite sure that he would get justice if the case remained with Justice Binta. But of course, the case has been reassigned to Justice Omotosho, and today Mr. Kanu was arraigned since he's coming before a new judge. So proceedings will have to start de novo, which is afresh. He took his plea on the remaining 7 charges. We recall there were 15. This was like last year when the case went up to the Supreme Court, where the Federal High Court, that was before Justice Binta, had struck out 8, leaving 7 counts. Mr. Kanu had approached the Court of Appeal with those 7 counts. The Court of Appeal struck out the remaining 7 counts, but the federal government went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court sent Mr. Kanu back to the Federal High Court. That was before Justice Binta. But Mr. Kanu said he wasn't going to appear before Justice Binta, wrote a letter now before Justice Omotosho. So what is remaining now is 7 counts charge, and he took his plea today, and they all centered on terrorism, and he pleaded not guilty. And we're thinking that his counsel would move for his bail, but the counsel did not move for bail. They said they were ready to go on with the case, and he also got a new counsel, which is a new legal representation, the former Attorney General of the Federation, Kanu Agabi, who is the senior advocate of Nigeria. Before the proceedings commenced today, Mr. Agabi read a letter written by Mr. Kanu that he's sorry for his conduct over the last few months, his attack on the judiciary, the Federal High Court, the prosecutor in person of Adegboyega Awomolo, senior advocate of Nigeria. And also, we also record that during the proceedings, he took a swipe at his own legal team. So he apologized to everybody, hoping for peace and unity and a fresh start. And Justice Omotosho understood and said, well, maybe because of the length of time this trial had taken, because when Mr. Kanu was first arraigned in 2015, he was 47 years old before they had the issue of him fleeing the country on account that his life was under threat. Up to this very moment, Mr. Kanu now is 57 years old, a period of 10 years. Justice Omotosho said that he will grant accelerated hearing and we ensure that the trial doesn't stay that long.